Man, all that stuff that I would have to go through just to do this. Just saying. 10,000 points. I could really upgrade some stuff with that. 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 Oh, wait, what do you... I think you're another expensive one. That's really expensive upgrades though. Like I don't wanna. Not buying you. All right, we'll start on the Alpha Disruptor. Ammo. Ugh. Nothing on you makes me excited. Damage. Bolts. There. Got both the ammo upgrades, which I believe increase its ammo up to 6. Oh, there it is. 5. Ah, great. Awesome. It increases ammo by 1. What about both? Okay. I'm missing my brain. There we go. That's what I want. There. All right today. Ah! The Lawn Ninjas! Remember those from the last game, guys? If you don't, you can go back and watch it. It was on Quartz playing it. I need to change weapons. I'm using this weapon and it's great, but I'm not earning any experience for using it. Oops. Yay! We won. Ah! Crap. Oh, we can do this. Sorry.
Alright, I talked to my boogie.
Yeah?
Yep. Outside, where it's really windy.
Got it.
You're fighting a boss?
Yeah.
Which boss?
It was just one of the bosses to go talk to Court.
Oh.
Court called us back. Yeah, here you go.
Like a mini boss?
Yeah. I think.
Did you beat him in the first turn?
Oh, pirate guys. You what?
Beat
Yeah.
him in the first turn? So mini boss.
Oh, those are cool, guys. This is kind of cool looking. We haven't seen one of those work yet.
See what I
The infobot.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, you cleared what was there?
Yeah. Importantness!
Maybe Iris knows where the Dimensionator is. Let's go.
I don't think so.
Take it easy, big guy. Maybe you can be a superhero. You just need to stop being so self-absorbed and whiny.
This is not the time to manage.
You're right.
It's the time to show the universe how amazingly awesome I am.
Well,
So, Ratchet,
right into it.
you'll never have to endure the pressure of saving an entire
Right
galaxy.
into it.
Wish me luck.
He's gonna die.
Oh, yeah.
The lightning round?
Yeah. Yeah, we're up 200,000 bolts now.
Oh.
Small
Anything
things.
Cool come up? Yeah.
Nope.
Like, more weapons
Nope.
to fill all those empty spots on our thing.
Nope.
Okay.
Gotta go this way. Oh, and we had 2,000, 2,000, what you calls it? Yes. And so I spent it almost all on the alpha. I, finished, I think, 2 weapons.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then spent the rest on, the alpha disruptor.
Oh, okay.
I bought both ammo slots. It gave me 1 more shot.
Oh. One whole more bullet before we go.
But I also did increase his damage and bolts given by it.
I feel like I just made it worse.
Probably.
Good.
Yeah. Can I help you open my bubble?
I don't have a choice but to be in your bubble. I don't have arms on this stool.
Wah, wah, wah.
I'm having nose issues.
Is that the pirate one?
I have no idea.
Yarg. Let's go to the comet.
Comment.
It's alright, we're gonna land on a comet. We're gonna do it. Man, it's done already.
Yeah?
Yeah, we did that. We landed on a comet. Sort of. By we, I mean a machine.
That counts-ish?
This is the only thing I don't like is the flying animation's so loud.
It is loud.
I just want you to know we're flying right now.
That's like the Left 4 Dead, rain one that we played.
Oh my god,
this
that
last
hurricane
time,
was
every
so
time,
loud.
Every time the winds and the rain picked up, we were like literally yelling in the.
Yeah.
Must find a way to sneak through.
Right there.
Yeah, those good pirates were playing in the snow. You know you saw that. God.
Oh, okay, that time I saw it. They're making snow angels.
Yes, a new gun!
Is it cool?
Yes. Well, the
Something
pyro
like that.
blaster.
Oh, yeah.
It's a flamethrower.
Ooh,
It also costs 100,000 bolts.
it does.
Well, we got it.
Mm-hmm.
Why not?
Woo! Now we still have 100,000 left, so we're good.
Yeah.
Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-ba-da-bum.
Feel better now?
Yes.
And you have nothing new.
Perhaps it is time to try out our new autopilot disguise.
We have a pirate disguise.
Yeah. That's us.
Wow. What's up with the limpy gimp leg thing? Arg.
I don't know, but I'm killing them all.
Okay.
I just gotta do this to get past the door. Dance the jig and prove your worth. Yep.
Follow the moves of the backup dancers. Press left, right, or up. Okay.
Yeah, screw this. We're gonna kill these guys.
Can you?
Yeah, I
And then
can.
get back in the door? That was
Let's see, and if I can't, I can just do that.
The arm of your chair is a lot lower than I keep expecting it to be.
Yeah. Just that one armor still. You know you don't need armor if you don't get hit.
True. Ooh, there were 2 treasure chests.
And all these bits.
That's a lot of bits.
So many balls.
Sorry.
Alright. Oops. I have to keep pressing A direction.
Just don't have to go around and around. Woo! Okay. What the hell is that about?
There'd be a turret dude.
That was not cool, is what that was.
I disagree. I think this is epic.
I mean, it's not cool when it goes against you.
Something really to shoot at.
Nope.
Oh well.
You killed him.
Kinda. Where was this? Nope, okay. Let go? Can you...
Will you not let go?
Apparently you just need to finish that round. I don't know where I'm supposed to go, though.
Up the legs of
Wait.
the thing. Oh,
Grind rail!
it's your favorite.
I do like grinding.
I know. Oh, that works.
I need something that will kill you from way back here. Oh, right. If I go to the pirate guys, I can walk up to him and kill him. Durr. But then I have to do this for 4 years.
It's okay.
I love doing this, really. Yarr! Here you go. His eyes like shake because they're fake. Alright, buddy. Now, this is only going to hurt a lot. Don't worry about it. I promise it'll be over soon. Oh, hey.
Oh, I think they noticed you.
Ah!
Did you go a little crazy with the turret there? I was pretty sure there were 3 of them. There he is.
So I'm pretty sure I shot him like 4 times.
Clearly, his shield was just that good.
We need that shield in our lives. Ooh, you have bolts in you. You all have bolts. Oh my god.
The little icicle-looking thing.
Yeah. Which I don't know if I care enough. Yeah, I don't really care enough to do that for 20 bolts. Shouldn't do that to people. You guys sneaking up on people is not a good thing. Only results in you dying.
That was like 110 volts. 120.
You're a bad thing. Knew it! Knew it! Knew it! Yeah! I knew you were a bad thing. You look like a good thing, but you're a lie. Wee. There.
Now we get to do this for 4 hours. I'd rather walk around as a pirate. Would you be able to do that dressed as the pirate?
No.
Have you ever tried?
Nope.
So you wouldn't know.
Yep.
Oh,
That sucked.
why did you...
Oh, because there was no way to save that.
I mean, why did you show up as, or like, make yourself a pirate?
Thought it would work. Well, that's disappointing. I have a flamethrower I forgot I even had.
Are you gonna have to get through that door? No. Okay. Cool.
Alright, that's really ineffective.
Well, maybe when it levels up.
Yeah, but I can just do this
It doesn't do
now.
horrible. Bolts, so many bolts.
I'm irritated that I have to go through all this again.
Well, at least they weren't ready.
Oh, they were ready, all right. Ready to die.
Okay. At least they weren't ready for,
Yeah.
like, at the turret and stuff.
Yeah, that was weird. That guy was dead.
Schlippen.
I'm going to try to kill you with the flamethrower. Yep. Yeah. That's
Oh, you
like
died.
a horrible weapon choice for that.
That's good for the itty bitty guys.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna
Mainly
attempt
because
this
it's level
once
one.
more with Vigor. Oh, a friend of mine suggested I get this, but I just don't want to do it.
He only wants you to get it because he thinks it's fun.
Oh. Maybe it is fun. Maybe we just don't understand what fun is. Shut up. You never sell anything good.
Then again, we used to think the lava gun was a piece of crap, and it still, you know, shoots like a very sad anything. But the lava gun ended up being pretty epic.
Fact.
So, I guess we never know with the tornado guy.
I do like this new
Bolts every
blade.
time.
I like this new blade gun.
Yeah.
I think it's pretty epic. Just. You know, Ratchet, I'm sure you're getting tired of ratcheting that. Yay! Bolts.
So many.
Whoop. What level was it? 3?
I have no idea.
Okay. Making sure. Ah, that turret guy is chilling up there. What are the odds I can kill him before he hits me? Nope. Not that grand.
Oh no.
Yeah, okay, so fire guys up to him is the best idea.
Okay.
Okay, last time. Okay. How long until you die?
Yeah, that one took a little longer.
Door doesn't even go down the door. Bolts.
I like how it gives you those every time.
Yeah, it's not that many though.
Well, it's not as much as the first time you went
Let me
through.
just put this though. Put this in. This being the 4th time we've done this, I've earned another 20,000 bolts.
I mean, that room gave you like 200 from what I just saw.
There's another 1,000.
From what I saw
Yeah.
down there, it gave you 200.
Oh, right on.
In that one room. I'm sure each run you're getting over 1,000. Quite a bit over 1,000. Like, you just got almost 1,000 just then.
Oh crap! My blade went off and hit him. Shoot.
Yeah. He probably knows it's you. But I wonder if you get him far enough.
There, I
away.
think he's maybe. Maybe he'll forget the damage he took, or maybe he won't. Oh God! Please get out of that.
Alright.
All right. I get it. You want to play? Fine.
Tap, tap. Let's go.
There, yep, you.
Oh, snap. You're being shot at.
Oh, good. Oh!
I said turret.
Oh, God, it's scary. Yeah! I don't know if this is out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, God. Frick.
Oh, no!
There. There.
Okay.
Well, he's still alive.
Well. Those don't seem to do much, whatever those are.
It's destroying a shield, though. That's what I need.
Ah.
Nope. Nope. Where is it?
What are you looking for?
That. Right here. Boop.
There you go.
Thank you, kind turrety thing.
Nano insecty turn
Oh, I forgot about you.
There's I'm gonna say he's dead.
Alright, then there's this guy. Come on. Break open.
What? How did that even happen?
I touched him. What? What is that garbage? It counted me touching him. Okay.
Wow.
That was hurtful. Oh, that's the one I wanted.
Cannot believe it counted that.
Yeah, there.
Well, at least this time you can do the pirate costume only, like at that end part.
You suck. It's okay. There's you know, I'm tempted to go buy the armor just so we can quit
yeah.
taking all this damage. Screw it. Yes. Give me the freaking armor. The booger all there. I can quit taking so much freaking damage. Come on, we have enough looking at it. Let's go.
Hey, it's awesome. We must look at it for days.
You can inspect the new recruits whenever you're done with your duty. You know. Well, we started this. We started with 200,000, ended with 50. With 5 grand.
50?
Yeah, 50 grand.
So much going on, it looked like everyone was gone.
I actually thought, oh god, I thought everybody was gone.
Well, so did I.
You know, this is now the 5th time of us doing this simple level.
Stupid pirate.
I killed.
Wow.
I killed
nice.
both.
Okay. Pirate costume.
Okay. See, my problem was it wasn't it was that one of my blades had went around and hit him. So
It just randomly.
yeah, because those blades just randomly go.
Yeah.
So now I have to hurry and get up to this guy
Why do you have to hurry?
because that guy's going to attack me.
Why?
Do you not see the shields raised?
Oh.
Okay, we're
I
just
guess he got hit too?
right there.
Oh
God!
god. Almost
No,
did not.
no, no.
They sure as hell do fly with that one though.
Yeah, it causes some great AoE. And then there. Ooh.
Alright. Don't touch the
Don't
stupid box
touch
guy.
the box guy. Lesson has now been learned.
Just jump and shoot.
Though now I should have better armor against him, so, you know. Alright, here we go. Go swing. You come out. You come out. There. Yes. That is correct. He takes a lot of hits. Why they put him on such a small platform, I still don't know. Okay, so you want to know, can I do this as the pirate? I can't jump.
Aw. So you're probably gonna have to just be Ratchet when you get up on that ship.
Yeah. I thought maybe if I did it quickly, they wouldn't
notice.
notice.
Or if they're like not looking or something. I don't
Yeah.
think it matters.
I don't think it does either.
Well, but there's only 2 of them.
Check again, there's 4.
Oh, 4.
Okay, so that is the end. Okay, so this is where I gotta go. Let's go with the
Holy crap.
best answer there.
They have. I'm like, they were going so slow they didn't even start attacking me yet.
There.
That works.
I win.
Don't say that yet.
I won that. Now I just gotta dance.
Yay!
Dance the jig and celebrate your piracy.
Yes. You can slip your booty. Did you do that?
I think so.